Hi guys, in today's video I want to share with you a super simple way to sculpt stylized eyelashes with a curve. So first of all, select the curved tube brush, check if it sticks to the surface. If it doesn't stick, go to the picker menu, depth, and change count Z to count Z. Now brush sticks to the surface. Draw a stroke on a model, adjust brush size if needed. Don't use a brush that is too small, it's easier to make the shape thinner later than to make it thicker. Also don't make the curve too long, it's easier to pull the shape out than to push it in. Click on the empty space to deselect the curve. If you like the size and shape, switch to the smooth brush, make it bigger and smooth the corners of the lashes. It will make them sharper. Switch to the move brush to hide the inner corner and to pull out a sharper curve end. When you like the final shape, switch to the dam brush to add some sharpness to it. Don't make the brush too strong or too big, it could deform the whole shape. Use Alt to push topology out. Draw a smooth line along the surface. You can use few brush strokes if you need it. Finish the shape with smoothing flat surfaces with polish brush. Try to keep the shape simple and flowy, experiment with the size and find what works best for you. I hope that video was helpful and see you in the next episode.